Parota Gaming here, and I got a better mic, but I don't know if the mic is good right now. And today we're going to be checking out my comments. I know I don't have that much subscribers, but uh, surely I have comments. So we're going to be reacting to it if there's any comments. So let's see. So this is my lo-fi video. Oh yeah, also we're gonna be reacting to my videos. I don't know. So this is my lo-fi video and it's kind of good. Also, I will face reveal when I reach at least like 100 subscribers. So if you're wondering, again, but it's okay. This one has 47 views and I'm actually shocked because it only has like 24 subscribers. Hello guys! Today I'm gonna be teaching you how to make a vending machine. Oh yeah, by the way, whatever videos are popping out like Beluga or Scammer, One Thing Every Day, either Mushroom Rain, just credits to all of them. Wow. It's sad that I cannot like. Bro, that's Mr. Beast. The one who actually hides. Watching this. Minecraft tutorials and ratings. It's been a long time since I posted because I was tired. Yeah, I don't really do voiceovers anymore. Oh yeah, like and subscribe if you want me to like react to like these people over here. Like I don't know why EY stream keeps popping out. So these are like some tutorials, I guess. Hello everybody. I had to cut this